Hey Luxers, we gave you a rundown of non-fungible tokens or NFTs in our video, 10 things you didn't know about NFTs, and we highly recommend you watch that before delving into this video. As we explained, NFTs are blockchain tokens that offer a certificate of ownership. They cannot be copied and multiplied. Also, they're non-fungible, which basically means they are one of a kind. So, which are the most expensive ever sold? Let's find out. But please note, all amounts are rounded off, and like the exchange rate will have highs and lows. Just like the price of Ethereum fluctuates, and the value may be different from the time of writing and publishing this video, so just keep it in mind. Number 15. NFT Digital House, $50,000 plus. Krista Kim, a contemporary artist who has had work displayed globally, sold an NFT minted digital house for 288 Ether. It works out to around $500,000. Called Mars House, it's part of her vision for how we incorporate augmented reality into the world as we know it. As she puts it, just like tattoos, people express themselves with tattoos. It's an art form. Well, people are also going to express themselves with digital assets and decorative pieces and collectibles, fashion, accessories. Number 14. CryptoPunk number 2681, $560,000. Our list is busting with CryptoPunks, which is described as a combination of art, technology, absurdity, and social experimentation that is analogous to radical tokenization methods used by artists like Andy Warhol, as written on bravenewcoin.com. There are only 10,000 CryptoPunks available. That's it. So once you've got one, it's yours for life, or until you decide to sell it and make a fortune. Since we have more coming up, we'll go into more detail as to why these characters are so popular as we go along. This CryptoPunk number 2681 was purchased on the 19th of February 2021 and is valued at around $2,000 per ETH. Number 13. Nyan Cat, $590,000. You're probably thinking you've seen this cat a million times, so how is it possible it netted the artist almost $600,000? Welcome to the wonderful world of NFTs. This cat has been flying across the web for 10 years this April, and now artist Chris Torres is reaping the benefits. In 2011, Nyan Cat was number 5 on the list of the most viewed YouTube videos. Torres was really surprised at how well the auction of his artwork went online, and within 24 hours, bidding went from $1,500 all the way to $590,000. And as he said, "I'm very surprised with the success, but I think I'm most glad knowing I've basically opened the door to a whole new meme economy in the crypto world." And hey Luxers, you can stay up to date with the latest news and info by subscribing to our channel. Number 12. Hashmask number 6718, $603,000. Valued at $2,010 per ETH, this piece of digital artwork sold a month ago, and it's one of 16,384 unique hash masks brought to you by Zoom Quique Labs from Zug, Switzerland. The masks have been created by over 70 artists globally. The unique selling feature of these masks is you have no idea which mask you'll get after bidding. Once your bid is successful, you name the mask anything you want on the Ethereum blockchain. This is done using an NCT or name-changing token. As the website explains, you're not simply buying a piece of rare art, you are part of that art piece. Number 11. Genesis, plus or minus $608,000. This collaborative piece was created by Trevor Jones and Jose Delbo. Delbo has created quite a name for himself in the comic world with his work on Wonder Woman, Billy the Kid, the Transformers, and Beatles' Yellow Submarine comic. Jones has been drawing major attention to his work by incorporating technology into his artwork. Number 10. CryptoPunk number 2140, $804,000. Number 10 on our list, and one of 24 ape punks created by Larva Labs. He has small shades, a knitted cap, and is owned by address grunner.eth, who owns 3 punks in total. Matt Hall and John Watkinson are the guys behind CryptoPunk. They also have Autoglyphs, the first on-chain generative art on the Ethereum blockchain. Hard to believe that when CryptoPunk first came out in 2017, they were being given away for free to anyone with an Ethereum wallet. The rarer types include the apes. As we said, there are only 24 of them. Zombies, of which there are 88, and aliens, of which there are only 9. Number 9. Hashmask number 9939, $844,000. Aluxers, remember we said that if you own a Hashmask, you can name it anything you want? Well, the owner of Hashmask number 9939 named this one Sex. And that's totally acceptable because, as the Hashmask website explains, it encourages the consumer, or rather the collective consumer, to project their representation of value into the artwork. And by naming it whatever the hell you want, our words, not theirs, giving it a unique name eradicates the invisible line separating the creator and the consumer of the artwork. Their words, not ours. Number 8. CryptoPunk number 6487, $1.1 million. In total, 3,840 female punks were created. According to Larvalabs.com, 7,392 punks have been sold over the past 12 months. And if you're thinking of buying, this is what you need to look out for. Punks with a blue background have been claimed. Punks with a red background are available for sale by their owner. Punks with a purple background have an active bid on them. If you're keen to purchase, bear in mind that currently the most affordable punk is $4,500 or 22.3 ETH. Number 7. CryptoPunk number 2890, $1.2 million. Aluxers, this is one of the 9 aliens we mentioned earlier. The draw card for investors is that their purchases are cryptographically guaranteed scarcity. And Aluxers, you don't need to be seriously smart to acknowledge that the biggest transfer of wealth through a technological change is happening right now, and you're missing out on it. Every time something this incredible comes along, things seem complicated and confusing in the beginning. We get it. That's why we did all the hard work for you and we built Bitcoin Essentials. In our opinion, it's the best blockchain and Bitcoin resource for those of you who want to get started with crypto. Go to Alux.com/Bitcoin and enroll now. Number 6. CryptoPunk number 4156, $1.3 million. It's another ape on our list, which sold for 650 Ethereum, or roughly $1.3 million. Aluxers, it's amazing to think that although this art is sold as digital pieces, ultimately that CryptoPunk formed part of an exhibition that took place in Switzerland in 2019. The exhibition was called Perfect and Priceless: Value Systems on the Blockchain, and John Watkinson had been invited there by Swiss curator and digital art expert George Back. Having never signed a piece of art in his life or even considered himself an artist, Watkinson was quoted as saying, "I'm nervous about signing these," when he penned his signature to 12 CryptoPunks. Number 5. CryptoPunk number 6965, $1.6 million. We're aping back-to-back here with another CryptoPunk ape, and this time it's number 5. Differences are not so huge between 5 and 6, barring headgear and around $300,000. To give you a little more background to these CryptoPunks, each image is 24 by 24 pixels. The characters are a nod to the early 90s cypherpunks founded by Timothy C. May and John Gilmore, who met monthly at Gilmore's company Cygnus Solutions. Jude Milhon introduced the term, and it was added to the Oxford Dictionary in 2006. They created a mailing list and would often have technical discussions ranging from mathematics, cryptography, computer science, political and philosophical discussion, personal arguments, and the occasional spam. Number 4. Jack Dorsey's first tweet. Latest bid, $2.5 million. We all know the name and we know the tweet, but did you know that Jack Dorsey is currently selling the NFT to that tweet, and the last bid update put it at $2.5 million? It's being sold on Valuables, which is an NFT auction site. Once sold, the proceeds will be converted to Bitcoin and donated to charity. The lucky owner will receive a digital certificate of the tweet. Number 3. CryptoPunk number 7804, $7.5 million. Small shades, a pipe, and a forward-facing cap are the specs of the alien CryptoPunk. When this teal-colored punk sold, it set a record for the highest amount paid for a punk. Crypto Slam was first purchased in 2018 for 12 Ethereum and went up for sale in February 2021 and sold for 4,200 ETH. And remember what we said in our video about NFTs, as you, the buyer, get the digital rights to resell, distribute, or license the digital asset as you please. Be sure to watch it, and very soon we'll highlight the most expensive NFT ever sold. Number 2. CryptoPunk number 3100, $7.6 million. It's our final CryptoPunk, and it's another teal-colored alien that sold for 4,200 ethereum, or around $7.6 million. This headbanded version was sold on the 11th of March, and when CryptoPunk number 3100 was last transacted in July 2017, it went for a paltry 8 ethereum, or just over $2,000. One of the many attractive features of NFTs is it gives the power back to the people in deciding what value to give an NFT. There are no middlemen like galleries and auction houses, and while it may never be possible to own something like an original Salvador Dali, you might find yourself being a proud owner of a CryptoPunk or something similar. It's opened up a whole new world for artists and buyers. Number 1. Everydays. The First 5,000 Days. Artwork by Beeple. $69.4 million. We covered this piece extensively in 10 Things You Didn't Know About NFTs, and this digital piece has made headlines globally. It sold for $69.4 million, and even creator Mike Weinelman, aka Beeple, couldn't believe his ears when he heard the sale price. He was pretty shocked when the price went to $27 million, as you can hear him say, "Jesus Christ, what the fu—" And his reaction at the final price was, well, priceless. In his words, "I think it probably means digital art is here to stay, and so do we." So Aluxers, what's your favorite piece on our list today? Share with us in the comments. And for sticking with us until the end, here's your bonus. Digital art is for everyone. Paris Hilton sold digital art for $17,000 on Ethereum. It was a hand-drawn portrait of her cat called Munchkin, and her first ever NFT. deadmau5 has also been enjoying the digital art sales and sold thousands of digital pins, stickers, and other collectibles back in December. And who knows, Aluxers, it could be your artwork next. Thanks for watching. Leave us a like if you enjoyed this video. We always value your thumbs up.